Hello people, so let's start with generating URL. A generating URL means nothing but you will get to see a link on top of your page. So here is your page and you will see your own URL in the page. So let's go to the IDE and create a new service. So let's create the URL generator interface service. Symphony component routing generator URL interface generator. So I'm going to create a URL here. So URL variable will create our URL generator interface. So this is just a mistaken. I think here we should write URL generator interface. Now here this generate URL. So I'm going to create a route name here. So this is the route name, so I'm going to write down home. Then we need to create a slug variable. Only the route name would not be a good choice, so we need to create a slug variable. So let's create slug here. Like, you can also name it as ID, variable, anything, but I would like to write it down as a slug. So a slug will be in array. Slug size to maybe 10. That would be the variable value, and I'm going to write down the URL generator interface absolute underscore URL. Okay, I'm done then with creating a variable. Now I'm going to add a variable inside the controller so we can also use it in the template. So how to create that? Now let's create a variable name. It could be anything, so I'm going to create a variable name as URL and then give it a URL as a value so that it could really generate the URL. So let me just go to the home page and create the print statement of the variable URL. Now we will get to see the results. I think everything is set. Okay. Unexpected double arrow. Okay. Just go here. See. Yes. This needs to be in an array, of course. So I'm going to go to the No problem, then just hit it. So oh. So it's taking some time, and it says it doesn't have a root. So yes, we need to write down the slug value. So say we want to write it down as 0 or maybe 1. So we have the route here. This is our route, and we want to place it in the next line. So I'm going to give it a BR tag. Okay. So this is what is our route. Now, suppose if we want to create a variable, or else create a HRE of click operation. So let me just go to the click operation here. So a space href is equals to path of. I want to write the root name, so the route name is, I guess, home. And comma, I'll create the slug name, so we have given a slug as a value. So slug is 10 as a value. And now let's say that you want to click on top of it and would go to the page. So this will connect you to the page once you click on the button. So let me go straight there. Yes, if I click, and then I will go to this page. Okay, so you can also use UrlGenerator as a page to navigate. So let me just go quick and remove the click and include the URL variable. So go to the next line and then go to the page. Yes, if I click on top of it, then it will lead me to this page. Okay, so if you want to create different click operations, just create a different function name and then navigate it from one page to the other page. So thank you for watching the video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day, bye.